is giving hunters another chance to get a permit. The Wildlife Agency says there are more than 2,200 permit tags left over for spring hunting. God bless you. And more than 900 of those are for hunting with a handgun, bow, and arrow. Hunters can obtain permit tags on a first-come, first-served basis.
Hunting javelina, that's a thing,
Hunting javelina, that's a thing.
Wow. All right, well, 4:37 coming up in national headlines.
A little boy saving up his allowance and ending the year with an empty piggy bank. What inspires him to give it all away to law enforcement?
An Oval Office meeting, the likes of which we've never really seen before. I'm Doug Luzader in Washington.